Hi, I'm Nick Van Hattem, and I'm here with the Executive Director of the Legal Practice Board, Libby Fulham. Libby, what's the board resolved to do in relation to practicing certificates for the new year?
Hi Nick, and hi everyone. It's great to see you and thank you for asking me to come and talk with you. The Legal Practice Board recognises that COVID-19 is going to have an impact on the profession, and it's resolved to allow payment of the prescribed fee, which for most practitioners is $1,250, to be done in effectively 2 instalments. So long as you apply to renew your practising certificate between 1 and 31 May, you can pay 50% of the fee only up until 30 June, and then the balance, the other 50%, can be paid at any time up until 12 December 2020.
And what's the process for practitioners to take advantage of that opportunity?
So like I said, you'd have to make sure that you apply between 31 and 31 May, and you don't need to, that's lodging your application for renewal. You don't need to pay anything at the time, so long as you pay 50%, so $625 plus any SGF that you owe by 30 June. You can then pay the balance, the other $625, incrementally or in bulk on or before 12 December 2020.
And what form do practitioners need to fill out for this?
To actually avail themselves of the system, they don't need to fill in any form other than their application for a practising certificate. So long as you lodge your application, that's the key thing. Lodge. That is the message that we want to convey. And effectively there's a deferral of payment.
And so it's just the standard payment selection form in terms of payment options?
Yes, so whenever you make your application for renewal, the last page is the payment options form. So in that, you only attribute $625. You can use that form continuously throughout for payment of the balance. So for instance, if you make your payment by EFT, you make your EFT payment of $625 at any point up until 30 June, and then you can continue to use that same process for the balance. For larger firms where there's a bulk payment for all the practitioners in the firm, it's probably best that the firm rep contacts our accounts department so that we can make sure that that bulk payment is attributed to the appropriate practitioner.
That sounds great. Well, thanks, Libby. I think that's going to make a big difference to a lot of our practitioners. Thanks for making some time today, and looking forward to catching up with you throughout this year as we move towards uniform law reform.
My pleasure, Nick, and thank you once again for having me on. Good luck and stay safe.
Cheers, Libby.